Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this video is me showing you how I do my smoked fish at home. Yes, I love to make my own smoked fish most of the time at home using oven. So this is the fresh fish I'm using is actually frozen, and I'm also going to be using this oil with pepper. I made this oil pepper by myself and salt. So the oil is optional. I just want that spicy flavor inside the fish. This is why I use the oil. So it's very simple to do this. It's just all you need is the fish, salt, and some skewer, or you can use toothpick, or you can just allow the fish to stay straight like this. So the first thing I'm doing there, I'm using trying to marinate the fish with some salt. Just rub the salt around the fish, as you can see there. So that is basically all you need to do. Then I'm going to try to bend it, because bending that fish and using the skewer to keep them together is actually not very easy to do. So I'm trying to just bend them and see how it goes this time, because it's really difficult, because my fish, that fish is still frozen. It's not completely defrosted, so it's a bit hard to get them the way I wanted them to be. But anyway, that doesn't matter. I'm going to just try to do that now, then we'll move to the next one. So I'm done with the fish now. As you can see there, I have foil pepper on my oven tray, and the oven rack is where I'll be adding the fish. And I've already preheated my oven at 200 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to place the fish over the rack now, and I'm going to be sending them to the oven. So this is my oven. I'm just going to place everything. I'll make sure that the foil pepper is under, because it's going to be taking the liquid that will be coming out of the fish. So make sure you place them under the fish, okay? So I'm going to let them grilled both sides. Like after 15 minutes or 20 minutes is when I'm going to be adding the oil, which oil is just optional. I just want the fish to have a bit of spicy in them. This is why I'm adding that peppered oil into the fish, okay? But it's not necessary at all. It's just a personal choice. So I'm turning the fish over now, as you can see there. Then I will allow them to continue baking after adding the oil. The oil, let me tell you the truth, the oil actually make the oven to smoke a little bit. So if you don't want to see that smoke around your house, don't add the oil, okay? So here are the fish. They are out of the oven. This is how I love them to. I don't want them to be too dry. I just want that moist inside into the fish. So it's very simple to make, guys. Here are my smoked fish. Very delicious when I use them to cook. So yeah, I hope you give this a try. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.